Hi, friends. Well, we're back at the ranch in Sonoita, Arizona. After being gone for nearly a month, we went to Quartzsite, spent some time with friends. And then we went to Yuma and spent some time with friends. And in the last 10 days or so, I've been a terrible YouTuber. I haven't turned on my camera. Today's going to be a short video anyway because I'm having trouble with my iPad that I do the editing on. It needs new batteries. I have 3 iPads, but the one that I edit on is an older iPad, and I've never let it do the updates. I think it's back on iOS 16, and I think we're up to iOS 26. Yeah, something like that on my phone. The newer iOS updates won't run the old program that I use for editing. And I've been using it I just got a notice from YouTube. I've been on YouTube for 11 years. Anyway, what's on my mind today? Coffee. Oh, the green cups. I look for these green cups at Goodwills and junk stores, Salvation Army. We just like going through those places. It's just been a thing we like to do for years. And you need an excuse to do it. These green cups are my excuse. I found 3 of them on this trip. And I think that makes a total of 7. I think I talked about last summer I broke the one I have at home in Mexico, but now I have some to take home. Anyway, not much going on. I'll give you an update on the van. My friend Steve and I went for a hike back there in Yuma. Thanks for being with me today. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. We spent 8 days parked here at the Paradise Casino in Yuma. It's actually in California. It's on the Quezon Indian Reservation. It's $10 a night, or 3 nights for $25, or $50 for 7 nights, and we stayed 8, so we had to pay an extra $10. It's just a gravel parking lot, but the restaurant's pretty good in the casino. The park we've always stayed at in Yuma was called the Riverfront, and we really liked it. It was just one of our favorite places. But the lady who owned it sold it, and it's become a KOA. They raised the prices to $55 a night. They don't have a weekly rate, and it's $550 a month. So, having only going to be there a week, we decided to just go over here to the Paradise Casino. Well, Steve and I are out for another hike today. We're at Telephone Trail. And I'm a terrible YouTuber. I haven't been taking many pictures or video, but I was amazed at how tall that saguaro is. We've been on this trail for how long, Steve? An hour? Is that about?
I'd say that's a good estimation.
Hey, you're getting to be a good YouTube assistant. You lie like a...
Yeah, we've been out here for days.
We're up here a ways. That's Interstate 8 down there, east of Yuma. And you can see that's my Jeep there. We're already halfway up the mountain when we got out to do this walk. No, we have been about an hour, but we made a mistake. I think we made a mistake. We drove halfway up the other side of the mountain with the Jeep, and started our walk from there. And then we got way up there and we saw this trail way down here. So we did a couple more ridges, and then we got down to this trail. And when we get back to the parking area, we're gonna have to hike halfway back up the mountain to get to the Jeep. Is that about it? I found a place in the shade for a minute. The sun behind the mountain. It's nice here. Little breeze. Oh, we found another rock laying on a rock with a saying. What does it say? It says, after death comes judgment. John 3:12, 3 something. We saw one of those at that old stone cabin in Quartzsite. What did that one say? It said, those you love never go away. Yeah. And then we were up there the next day, and the rock went away. So we're coming around the corner here, and as I said, I think we made a mistake. This road didn't seem far at all in the Jeep. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Jeep up there on the hill. Yeah, it's up there. And of course, it's farther than it looks with the camera. This is back in Tucson at one of my favorite fuel stops. $227, 60 gallons. I filled up in Quartzsite, so Quartzsite to Yuma to Tucson to Sonoita, it's about 400 miles. And that also includes running the diesel generator and the diesel furnace as needed. And we did have some cold nights. But that's $227. I don't pay retail. That was $319.99 a gallon. But with my EFS card, my ACH bank deduction settlement was $195. So with the EFS card from TSD Logistics in Texas, I saved $32. It adds up. So as I'm backing into my parking spot here at the ranch, I had a small rant about something I discovered when I adjusted my mirror to see how I was backing into my spot. So I just got back to the ranch from Quartzsite and Yuma. How many years have I been to Quartzsite? Quite a few. There's one on the back window. What fool put it back there instead of adding to my collection? And this year, I wasn't looking. They put it right there where it blocks the view of my lower mirror. Dumbasses. Safety issue. Well, let's go check out the progress in the van build. I've been home for a day and a half. Anxious to get back to it. Yesterday it was raining. Today it's kind of cold, but blue sky and fluffy clouds.
Hi.
Oh, good morning. How are you today?
I'm okay.
You snuck out.
Say what?
I said you snuck out. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
You want to be my Valentine?
I am your Valentine every day of the year.
I'm just finishing up a video for tomorrow.
Oh, well, good. Are you finishing up the van today?
Ha! Yeah, it's a long ways from finishing it up. But I'm making some progress. I think the last video I did before we left for Quartzsite, I had the wall up there. Well, I know I did. And I'm real happy with how that's turning out. Padded walls. There, padded. Yesterday I was working on the support for the microwave. And down here, this will be the counter height. That'll be the one end of the counter support. Anyway, progress. Oh, we're down to, what does that say? 14%. I don't think I've talked about having ordered the other AFRI auxiliary battery. So I'm at 4,000 watt hours. And yesterday I plugged in the refrigerator. It's going. And it's ice cream hard cold. Last night when at 5 o'clock, it was at 29%. It's now at 14, so that's, 15%? And 15% of 4,000 is 600 watt hours out of the 4,000 watt hours overnight for the fridge. So that's going to work. Of course, it was cold last night. It won't be as efficient in the summertime when it's 110 degrees out here in the Arizona desert, but I think it's going to work. I'll have 620 watts of solar on the roof. Anyway, I think that's my video for today. And where are we going to end it? Right here.
Right here.
Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.